Hey there! Thank you for watching a new video. I've got a new chevron pattern for you, and there are a lot of chevron patterns, and I just want to show you as much as I can. And in the previous video you saw the simple chevron. It's this one. And this is the white chevron with texture in it. You can see a little line on top of the chevron pattern, and there's a difference between this one and this one. You can see this is smaller, simpler, and this is a wider chevron. And it's a 2-row repeat, so you need to make 2 rows for this pattern. And before I'm going to show you, I want to ask if you could subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so you get a message when I upload a new video. And well, there is a right side and a wrong side for this pattern. You can see here the back, and this is the front. So let's get started. I've got some yarn. I've got a crochet hook of 5 millimeters. First, let's make a slip knot. And for this pattern you need to make a multiple of 14 chains plus 4. So first we're going to make multiple 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to make it 2 times 14. And now let's add 4 more chains. Okay, so for row 1, I'm going to skip 3 chains, and the next one make a double crochet. And this counts as 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. So the normal double crochet and the chain 3 counts also as a double crochet. So for the next 5 chains, we're going to make 1 double crochet in every chain. So this is 1. The next, make 1 more double crochet, that's 2. In the next chain, make 1 more double crochet, that's 3. In the next chain, make 1 more double crochet, that's 4. And into the next chain, make 1 double crochet, that makes 5. Now for the next 3 chains, we're going to make a double crochet 3 together. So yarn over into the next chain, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops and leave the other ones. Yarn over into the next chain, make a yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, leave the other 3. So yarn over into the next chain, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now you can see you have 3 not finished double crochets with 4 loops on your hook. So yarn over, pull through all 4. Now for the next 5 chains, make 1 double crochet in every chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we went from up to down, and now we need to go up again. So we've got the valleys and the mountain peaks. I don't know how to say it, but we need to make the peak over here. So in the next chain, I'm going to make a double crochet, chain 1, and into that same stitch 1 more double crochet. For the next 5 chains, make 1 double crochet in every chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we went from the peak, now we go to the valley. So that means we need to make a double crochet 3 together over the next 3 stitches. So yarn over to the next stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over into the next stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, into the next stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. So here are your 3 not finished double crochets, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. So for the next 5 chains, make 1 double crochet in every chain, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And if you've got more chains left, then in the next chain you're gonna make a double crochet, chain 1 double crochet, and then make 1 double crochet in the next 5 chains, and then make the valley with a double crochet 3 together over the next 3 double crochets, then make 1 double crochet in the next 5 chains, and then make a double crochet, chain 1 double crochet, 1 chain, etc. And when you have 1 chain left, then make 2 double crochets in that last chain. So it looks like this, going up, down, up, etc. Now chain 3, turn your work. For row 2, it's well, you need to repeat row 2 and row 3. And for row 2, we're gonna make the stitches in the front loops only. So the chain 3 counts as double crochet on top of the first stitch. Now we need to make a double crochet in that same first stitch only in the front loops. So normally you would make your stitches through both loops, but this is your front loop and this is your back loop. So we need to make it in the front loop only. So 1 double crochet in that front loop in that first stitch. So that counts as 2 double crochets in that first stitch over here. For the next 5 stitches, make a double crochet in the front loop only. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now over the next 3 stitches, we're going to make a double crochet 3 together in the front loops only. Four loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Now for the next 5 stitches, make a double crochet in every stitch in the front loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you need to end up with your chain 1 as your next stitch. So in a chain 1, you're gonna make a double crochet, chain 1, and again 1 more double crochet. Now for the next 5 stitches in the front loops only, make 1 double crochet. Now we are at the valley. So over the next 3 stitches in the front loops, we're going to make a double crochet 3 together. You can see here 3 not finished double crochets, 4 loops on your hook. Now for the next 5 stitches in the front loops only, make a double crochet. And again, if you have more stitches, you will have your chain 1 space over here. So make a double crochet, chain 1 double crochet in a chain 1 space and go down with the next 5 stitches with 1 double crochet in every stitch in the front loops only, etc. And if you are having your chain 3 space left over here, then in the third chain we're gonna make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. And what you just did with the second row, you made it on the back, so you don't see that texture over here. So when we're going to chain 3 to turn our work, then you can see here the front with that ridge on top of your crochet work. After row 3, we're going to use the back loops only. So the chain 3 counts as a double crochet on top of that first stitch, and we need to make a double crochet in that same stitch but only in the back loops. So put your hook in between that V, this is your V, and push it backwards. So there's your back loop. Yarn over and make your double crochet. So for the next 5 stitches, make a double crochet in the back loops only. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you can see that ridge coming up again on the front. So now make a double crochet 3 together in the back loops only over the next 3 stitches. Now over the next 5 stitches, make a double crochet in the back loops. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then you have your chain 1 space, then make a double crochet, chain 1, and into that same space 1 more double crochet. Now for the next 5 stitches in the back loops only, make a double crochet, and 5. Now over the next 3 stitches, make a double crochet 3 together in the back loops. Over the next 5 stitches, make a double crochet in the back loops only. And just go ahead, make your peaks and valleys. So if you have more stitches, you have your chain 1 space over here, and then make a double crochet, chain 1 double crochet. And over the next 5 stitches, make a double crochet in the back loops only, and then make a double crochet 3 together over the next 3 stitches in the back loops only, etc. And when you have your chain 3 space, your chain 3 left over here, 1, 2, 3, then in the third chain, make 2 double crochets. And all you need to do is to repeat row 2 and row 3. So row 2 is in the front loops only, and row 3 is in the back loops only. And just make your crochet work as high as you want it to. And then you have your white chevrons with the texture on top of your work. And if you don't want it all on the front and you want it on the back too, so maybe you want to make a blanket and have the front and the back the same, then you could choose to make well, just only the front loops for both rows, or only the back loops for both rows, so you get a maybe I can let it show you over here. So this was the front and the back loops for 2 rows, but if you do it just only back loops or only front loops, then you have your ridge over here and knots over here. So this is a plain, and then here is your ridge on the front. So there will be on the front and on the back there will be ridges, but I just wanted to make it only on the front to have the texture on top of my pattern. So you can choose what you want, but I made it just on the front. So this is what I want to show you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!